If you wanna win one of these, go to my Facebook page. Hi guys! And unboxing. I got a new toy. Lindr beer dispenser. Welcome back. So, if you want your beer cold and you don't have a fridge or something like that, you have electricity, then this is the way you get your beer cold. So, this is the cheapest model they got. No compressor. Damn, that's heavy. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Look. Nice. God damn it. So, beer tap. This under beer tap comes here. Here you can adjust temperature of your beer. I think maybe I should read manual first. Beer tap. Got a tool. Maybe I'm going to save this. So this goes to a cottage because there isn't any bigger fridge out there, and we want beer maximum cold as you can get. This is, by the way, cider. Whoa, that's heavy. So, hook it up, electricity. Let's put it here. So, basically, this is a mini fridge. Now, the other package. Maybe I should turn that off. And I put it on after. I put it on when we try it. No background noises. So, I got Cornelius kegs. I bought the whole set just that you hook it up between the dispenser and the keg. So I needed CO2, and the connections to my keg. So here is everything. Pipe work. This is a connector to commercial beer. If I don't have enough beer for myself, more connectors. This Cornelius connectors, and I got it from this company, Lappa.fi. You can go and check them out if you want. This is not a commercial, not in any way. I bought this with pure money, so I didn't get anything for free. They are not sponsoring me. But if you want to sponsor, write me an email and we can do stuff together. This is, yeah, the regulator for CO2. 2 kilos of CO2. So this is for CO2 out. And this comes in the bottle. Gonna tighten this up like that. Maybe this comes. I'm gonna put it there. So, as I told you, this is for connector for commercial beer that you can buy in wholesales, and not just anybody can go and buy them there. But this is for the 30-liter keg that big brewers brew. Here's the connectors. How does this work? I never use this kind of connectors. Cornelius ball lock, that's out, liquid out, Cornelius gas in. Connect that and put that in. Then this is for beer. Hook it up like that. Damn, these are nice. I should buy these for myself too. Then this comes in on the back side here. This is so ridiculously easy. Then this in, cider comes out. Let's hook it up. Yeah, look at this. Maybe too much gas. So this whole system, this was 350 euros in Finland. Gas tank, regulator, all the hookup for this, we're talking about 650 euros. What don't you do for ice cold beer? Cheers, guys. So that's that. If you wanna win one of these, go to my Facebook page, like me and comment the picture with the hat, and you get the chance to win this for yourself. Also, please like my video if you liked it. Go subscribe, it means a lot, and I hope to see you again. Bye! Go like Facebook page. And also, any questions about the system, comment below. Thanks. Bye!